Sincerity. Those who desire to spread the word of Islam should never gain knowledge in order to defeat others in debates, nor to make others feel unintelligent, nor should one seek fame when fulfilling this duty. Otherwise, the knowledge that was meant to bring one closer to Allah, the Exalted, only causes them to act like a hypocrite who pretends to benefit others while only desiring fame. Those who act in this way without sincerely repenting have been warned of hell. This is confirmed in a narration found in Sunan Ibn Majah, number 253. Alcohol has been declared the mother of evil in a narration found in Sunan an-Nasai, number 5669, as it opens the door to countless other sins. Similarly, the love for fame through spreading the word of Islam is the mother of evil for scholars. This attitude always leads to other sins such as lying, backbiting, envy, and hypocrisy. Because of their incorrect intention, these people will never accept the truth from another, as they fear the latter will gain more fame than them. This leads them to arguing against the truth by twisting the verses of the Holy Quran and the narrations of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, out of context. When one fails to adhere to the etiquettes of spreading the word of Islam, Allah, the Exalted, removes the light of faith from their heart. Instead of their knowledge leading them towards light and the pleasure of Allah, the Exalted, it only leads them to darkness. The worst thing is that when the outside world observes these people, they may well believe that this was the attitude of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, the companions, may Allah be pleased with them all, and the righteous predecessors. Spreading this false belief to others will only lead to more difficulty for the person. This is one of the reasons why the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, once warned in a narration found in Sunan Ibn Majah, number 256, that the worst parts of hell will be reserved for those who used their knowledge of the Holy Quran for the sake of fame. Unfortunately, some people seek compensation for their deeds from others, whereas the Holy Prophets, peace be upon them, and the righteous never demanded compensation from people. They only desired to please Allah, the Exalted, and hoped in reward from Him alone. Chapter 26 Ash-Shu'ara, verse 164.
And I do not ask you for it any payment. My payment is only from the Lord of the worlds.
One must always aim to please Allah, the Exalted. This intention alone will determine whether they receive reward or not from Allah, the Exalted. This has been confirmed in a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 1. In fact, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, once described the judgment of a person who dedicated his life to gaining and spreading knowledge in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 4923. As he desired compensation from people in the form of fame, Allah, the Exalted, will declare that there is no reward for him in the hereafter because of his bad intention. The man will then be hurled into hell. Unfortunately, some not only intend for material benefit, but also purposely offer advice which pleases people and withhold the advice which would displease them even though it is the truth. This is not considered spreading the word of Islam and will only lead to the wrath of Allah, the Exalted. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.